Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an infomercial for STEM students. I am Dr. Gena Henderson and it is Python Wednesday, yes. And you know, we always begin Python Wednesday by telling you which oil we're diffusing. And this morning we are diffusing Sacred Mountain. It is something about Sacred Mountain and Young Living conventions that I haven't quite gotten over yet. And so it's the aroma of being in the mountains. So this particular oil has that a smell that takes you back to the mountains. It gives you grounding and a sense of protection, and it makes you empowered. And you know, whenever we're getting ready to do this Python Wednesday session, we need our empowerment. Okay, so we're gonna go right into our lesson. So I want to talk to you about upgrades. So from the time we started building this particular breakout game, and by the time we got ready to run it, there was a new version or an update that was made to Unity. And so now I'm going to need you to go and update to that particular version, because that's the only way we can actually spawn blocks. See, when we first started, we basically duplicated blocks. Okay, we duplicated blocks in here by making blocks off of this particular block. But now what we need to do is we need to actually spawn a block. Okay, we need to create a block where we actually spawn the block itself, right? And so in order to do that, I'm going to need you to go back to the hub, okay? And I'm going to need you to add, okay, this particular version. So you're going to go to your installs. I've already added it here, okay, but you're going to go press the button add, and you're going to state that you want to add the 2019.3.2 FL version, okay? And so if you don't see it on there, they'll have a list where you can actually go down, okay, and actually select it. Okay, so I want to thank you for going to work with Gena this morning. If there's any infomercials that you missed, please don't hesitate to go to YouTube, Going to Work with Gena. It is Python Wednesday, yes.